Hi guys, I'm back. And I quit this shift job because,
Damn you.
Nobody ate your cookies.
yeah, I got a lot of murder.
Also very annoying.
Why is these people
Wasn't
just
very
annoying me? Nothing else but annoying me. It's me.
It's also another person over here.
Yes, but police in this game is actually so.
Then run away, my friend. Run
Well, I'm just
away.
gonna escape. Oh, I forgot. Now I'm gonna see.
Look.
This is a very fun
Guys, as my sister said, I'm Italian. Yes, it's alright. I'm an Italian guy.
It is a very true.
You thought I didn't know you were Italian, but you're my sister, so I would know. I don't know how it's all coming to this, but we're very fun.
Yes, we are.
Only. This is awkward. Hey guys, I'm back and I finally fixed my button. And,
For you that don't know, it was broken.
and I think I was like 8 years old when I did that. And I'm here, 20 years old. I'm throwing my inventory out. Why do you have that thing in my inventory? Somebody asked me. Just look at this.
I like to play. How fabulous. It's fabulous. Is a lady cat? I'm sneaky. I think you have too much stuff. Okay, this is awkward. Did that actually run from people he's walking? It's a cat, though. This road makes this one. Except the road makes this one. It looks like it's taking very makeup.
Hey, I'm back, and I did some research. Giants actually don't fight you if you're a giant. Let me see if this is true. Ha, found you. Hi. Wait, what? You don't like me? I thought you liked other giants. Maybe they don't like my outfits. You have my horse. Ah!